Hey there, I want to talk to you all today about weight loss. One strategy that a lot of people use, intermittent fasting. There's a lot of different kinds of fasting out there, and one of the things that I've used in the past as part of kind of a detox as well as a fast to kind of jumpstart sometimes fitness is a 3-day fast, water only fast. And I've done this before, it's been quite a while, so I'm a little out of practice. But there's a lot of research, a lot of anecdotal research as well about people that have fasted and cured themselves of various illnesses and problems, and 40-day fast, 21-day, all kinds of fasts with water only to cure various problems. And I don't know of any particular diseases or maladies in myself, thank God. But I do like to cleanse myself every now and then and just kind of reset a little bit. So I'm going to do a 3-day fast the next 3 days of water only. And the hardest part to give up is the coffee for me. But it does usually, you usually lose a couple pounds, and it's interesting to watch the way, your body changes as far as your moods, and the hunger gets really, really strong, and then it kind of dissipates and goes away, and then it'll come back, and various stages like that. Your energy levels drop initially sometimes, and then they spring up even higher than usual because your body goes into this, oh, I need to find food mode. Let's become creative. Let's become smarter. Let's become more energetic so we can find the food because it's part of our survival instinct. So one of the things I like to fast for is because it will actually help heal you, because if you think about it, the body is always healing itself, and that's why they say sleep is so great, because your body can take time to relax and work on different problems and heal you. But one of the problems that we have in our culture is that we're always constantly eating. It's just the way it is. We have lots of food available, so the body never gets a break from digestion, which takes a lot of energy to work on all the digestion that we always have going on. So if we take a break from digestion and only have to process water, then the body can say, oh, let me heal these other problems here, these little things that have been going on that we haven't had a chance to work on, because we're working on the most important thing, which is the nutrition or the digestion, because that's something we always have to work on. And I've never done more than 3 days, and they say you shouldn't do that without a doctor supervision. And I'm not recommending anybody try it if they don't want to. Maybe you should check with your doctor before you do that kind of thing. But I know personally I'm doing it, and my husband's doing it with me. My daughter's growing. She's not going to do it, obviously. But she said she would give up sugar for the next 3 days. So we'll see how that goes. So she did give me the little caveat, unless they have cupcakes at school for somebody's birthday, then she doesn't think she can resist. So she's going to try just to eat healthy food for the next 3 days. Because everybody gets into a little rut sometimes where they're eating just too much junk food, and then you start craving it. I know a lot of people have issues with that. I do myself. And it seems like in the past, if I've stayed away from chocolate and other sweets and things of that nature for about 3 days, you kind of lose your taste for it. And then real healthy food, which I always enjoy anyway, becomes even more satisfying, because it's what actually takes care of your body, with all the nutrients that you need. So that's what I'm going to do is the next 3 days is fast and watch how I feel, and I'll share that with you guys as well. Now, you won't lose much muscle or anything in 3 days. I wouldn't worry about that. But one thing you can do as as your exercise routine is, to do your normal activities. Don't do anything too strenuous, obviously, but you can do things like muscle maintenance, which I think I've spoke to a little bit about that before with you guys, and that's doing fairly light load exercises, about 50-60% of what you normally lift, say if it's a lifting weights, and do about 20 reps of them or more, and then wait only up to 30 seconds, maybe 20-25 seconds, and then do another 20 and do that 2 to 3 sets. And that's a good way to kind of maintain your muscles without trying to build, because you don't have the extra nutrients going in you to try and build extra right now. And that's not my focus, obviously. I'm not trying to be a bodybuilder. I'm trying to be healthy as possible. That's my main focus in life. So I don't know if that helps anybody out there. Leave me comments below and let me know what you think about that, and if you've tried fasting, and how you felt with it, what kind of success you've had. Because we all do fast, if you think about it. We all go to sleep at night, and we don't wake up and eat usually, or right away throughout the night. We sleep through the night without eating. So we're all fasting slightly anyway. So this is just a little bit of an extended break to take care of my body and help and rid the problems that I have. So I've read up a lot about these kind of things, and I found it very interesting. So one of the things that I like to do for muscle maintenance is like a wall push-up for my triceps, right? So let's do that together where we'll do a couple of sets of 20 with that short break in between and see how that feels. So find a wall. Now you can do this on the floor if you're really strong. And a tricep push-up is one of those diamond push-ups, right, where you're working the back of your arms more exclusively. So on the wall is pretty easy, but 20 won't be super easy. So we'll do 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rest about 20 seconds only, which I didn't actually start my timer, I forgot. So not having food, sometimes your brain gets a little fuzzy. So we'll give ourselves just a little bit of a break here. No longer than 30 seconds, we'll do another 20. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Let's do another set of 20 because it wasn't too bad. And the best way to do this is up on the toes so you're leaning more in it, nice and straight body. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 more. I like to count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the second set is starting to get a little bit of a burn there, but not too bad. So we'll do one more set so that we feel a nice burn on those muscles and help maintain the muscles that we have and that kind of thing. Whew. All right, so one more set of 20. If you're following along, please do. All right. Oh yes, it feels good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that burns a little bit. Ouch. Yes, that burns the back of the arm. It's a good way to stretch out, pat yourself in the back and pull up on those arms to get that tricep stretch. Hold both stretches for about 20 seconds with this one so that you get a nice time for the muscles to kind of elongate back to their original position and switch sides. Whew. Yes, please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I appreciate it. And do like the video. Leave me any comments below about what you think about fasting, if you've tried it, what kind of success you've had, and how it made you feel. Yes. And thank you. Join us tomorrow, and we'll talk about day 2 of the fast and see how much fun that is. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.